kong haka experience bapila siam himom. Atu ba ka central government kaju ai sanction ni gibreo dong ya ka state government kanda pengkreat DPR especially kom gini project bahe.
Oh shanopi ya kata te dayo tang kata ka DPR lo ka simpor ba kasimba system chpobna ya apu kalong depends sa kapor ba sa gaweru ngi habut din kata gawe ka DPR ngimla ban prepare shis ngi arsi ka simpor ban prepare hablet survey nong chadong one by one te kumnungin yo sanction within shis ngi arsi ngimla ban yo arkunta
tumut kani ka jingmi ni support ni ba MP jongi ba menta penyo tang hapo shis ngi ula ban penyo do 290 crores atau ka donong rem em klem di IPR klem gini di kot keselatan kam
kata te kam donong rem ra kade ba ngamti berbelai ki penmi ka khubor kum toro tang ba kade ka ban penbe ki ba na ban yelam ki ba asya ka bamdei te kade ka barong pi kamde ngilong mi khmat ngimde ban yelam ki ba asya ka bamdei ni dai ban yelam gi ba haka bedai shisha ban yu ya kata ka reality ba ngila de ble ngi pen i ke kot ke slagin tang tai
VPP crunch ka barega 200.81 crores kani boy grand MP ka VPP kadai 290 crores
yes
to lada ka long ko malong to in total ngi yo 490 crores
tanga daw ken if it's an additional amount we are so grateful to him ni sio comment ken dayo kata shusho kan long saus pa kenai pokok kata tahap ai khublei MP jong yeah I feel like this is I mean leading the people to in the brainwashing the people is not wise to say. We as a legislator, we just need to bring development to our state with the good mind and good heart of our people, and also not that we'll say that we got this amount when the government had worked so hard all these years to get sanction of this much amount, and somebody will take the credit that it's not good.
Recently, the CM has also followed up.
Yes,
24th of June.
CM also had follow up on 24th of June. He personally went to meet the Honorable Minister, and then he has got what he has. I mean, the minister had all told him that what he's supposed to know. So, but then to take the credit, that we had got the sanction of 290 crores. I think that is not wise on the party.
And what is the procedures like? You can explain further, ma'am. Like, what are the procedures before getting the sanction?
Procedure is we have to prepare the DPR. It'll take a long time. We have to go to the site, see the sites, measure everything. That's what is done as procedure. And then DPR goes to the state government. State government checks all the paperwork, then it goes to the agency again, they'll check again, it comes back to the government, and then it goes to, it's a very long process. I cannot explain the whole thing here, but it's a very long process. It takes a long time to sanction any kind of, especially it's not a small amount, it's 200.81 crores, and now to claim something like that, I feel it's really bad, really bad.
Don't you think just like, see, you already mentioned the government has been pursuing this for a long time. The CM also met recently. So don't you think there is a possibility that he already has the DPR and all, and so he gave the additional credit? Could it be a possibility? I'm just saying.
If it's their possibility, if he gets a copy also, it's not going to be sanctioned overnight. That is what we are saying. It cannot be sanctioned overnight. You give a DPR and you'll get sanctioned. Impossible. Correct. We are... the High Court also is to be given the credit. That is why the work has been fast, speed up the work. That's why the repair work they got the sanction of something to 20 something crore, and that also was sanctioned, and this 200 crore also was sanctioned. This also was the intervention of the High Court was also there. So side by side, the state government and the High Court. So that's why we got the sanction.